Good Monday evening to you. Richard Scott here with your forecast update. More extreme heat coming up on Tuesday. Then things get back to where they should be for this time of the year by Wednesday and Thursday. Radar all quiet tonight on this Monday night. Coming up on the 10 o'clock hour. Still 83 in Tuscaloosa. It's a warm evening. Been outdoors, you probably noticed that. Highs today, 97 in Tuscaloosa, but look at Jasper, 104 today. Birmingham, 99. Demopolis, 98. Still 87 in Birmingham. Wow, how about that? Coming up on 10 o'clock, and again, still got widespread 80s across the board. And look at the dew point, 76 in Tuscaloosa. There's a lot of moisture around. Feels like 91 in T-Town, 91 in Birmingham. Look at Montgomery. We're coming up on 10 o'clock. This is incredible. Coming up on 10 o'clock at night, it's 98 is the current feels like temperature. Just unbelievable. We've got a heat warning. This is called an excessive heat warning. The counties in purple for much of central and west Alabama. Our northeast counties are under a heat advisory up around Gadsden and Anniston. But either way, everybody's going to be dangerously hot for our Tuesday. Again, not much rain on the radar. No rain to cool us off. Here we go for tomorrow. Again, we'll top out around 98. Some spots could touch 100, but that's not necessarily the big deal. The big deal is the temperature and the dew point, the combination when you get that heat index factor. Tropics are mostly quiet. Got a couple of tropical waves out of the Atlantic Basin, but at this point, no sign of anything becoming well organized. Here's a futurecast model into tonight, all rain-free. Tomorrow, there could be a stray shower somewhere out there, many of us dry. And then a weak surface front comes in early on Wednesday. And this is kind of an interesting setup. It comes in the middle of the night and then moves south of us by Wednesday afternoon. And this indeed happens. We're not going to see any rain along or north of Interstate 20 on Wednesday. So this is going to be a tricky forecast. If you're south of Demopolis, you could see some scattered storms. But really for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Anniston, Interstate 20, we may miss out on the rain with this. We'll see. But again, at this point, we've still got a chance for some scattered storms at least. All right, let's go into our futurecast mode. We got the ridge kind of breaking down a little bit, and that'll give us a break somewhat. Heat index, certainly a big deal tomorrow for Tuesday. We're talking about a heat index around 115 for the Tuscaloosa area. That is certainly in that extreme danger category. That's why there's an excessive heat warning. By the way, it's been almost 2,600 days since we have had an excessive heat warning for Alabama. It's been a while. As dew points come down, humidity drops, and I don't expect a major issue of the heat index by the time we go into Thursday, Friday, or even into Saturday. So again, for tonight, warm and muggy. Tomorrow, extremely hot. Excessive heat warning continues. We'll drop those some back in the low 90s, closer to where we should be. Overnight lows will fall as well, back in the low 70s with some slightly drier air.